All right, so here's the first clip of starting the build on the 2018 KX250. Here's what I'm starting with. Garage is a little cluttered. I have to resist the urge to clean the garage to start on this bike, because then I'll be cleaning the garage all day. This is what we're working on. As you can see, it's been sitting for a while. It's used as a stand right now. Doing a race up in Paula. My son was doing a race and motor locked up. It's locked up solid. So we're going to pull that motor out and put a brand new motor in. We got a brand new motor right here, brand new in the box, never been ran. You can see it's all packaged up. It came with the new hoses. Got a brand new 2018, it's actually a 2019 motor that we're going to put in it. So I'll take you guys along the way. Never done a motor swap before, should be pretty easy, but just a normal guy doing a motor swap on a motorcycle, and let's see if we can make it run. All right, let's get our work area set up as best we can. Where do we start? Let's get some of these bikes out of the way. Let's move this motorcycle over. Oh boy. All right, move you guys a little closer. We're gonna start the teardown on this bike. I'm gonna try to keep it organized. I got a bags. We'll use a Sharpie. Try to keep this stuff organized so we don't lose any bolts. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna grab my T-handles. Probably should throw that bag away. It's seen better days, and we'll start taking this thing apart. Start by pulling all the plastics off and the seat off. Let's just make a bag for plastics. Not sure what happened to this motor. Not sure if I'll pull it apart. How soon I'll pull it apart. Air filter seems better days, so that could be an issue. We're doing a 2-day race. We've learned since then to have multiple air filters. This one we did not. During that race, this plastic broke, so we had to screw it in. Have to get a bit to unscrew it. Probably this one is missing. I'm guessing. Yep. Might work. Got it. We don't need to put that one in the bag. Take you guys with me. Here's what I'm dealing with. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I have a bunch of kids and too many hobbies. And stuff just starts getting put different areas, and then I spend half the time looking for my tools. So this is my rock crawler I was building. I finished building, but I had everything over here for the fab stuff. And now I'm just trying to find a rubber mallet or a dead blow. Takes me 20 minutes because I'm not organized with all this stuff, because I get done with one project and just move on to the next. Never spend that time cleaning up. So that's why you see me using the ratchet to knock out an axle. I don't see a dead blow in here anywhere. Well, shoot. here we go. We're gonna drain the coolant, hopefully. And then we'll, I think, work on taking the brake off. Unbolting the motor mounts. Trying to decide if I should leave the radiators in or out. Take them out. Have the coolant drained. I'll knock them around, free up some space. Much of a mess I make. Got half of it. Still trying to get this master link off. I switched tools, switched to these pliers. Let's see, pops off. This is the winner. This plier popped it off. Here's the clip. See if we can pop this master link off. Stick a screwdriver in here. Again, I should have probably done this with a wheel on it still. That part off. Let me go. Back together before I lose it. And put it in a bag. Bag it and tag it. I have to kick it. You know what? We'll just use the impact. Work smarter, not harder. Let's see here. Way easier. Washer in there. Let's see how we get this thing out of here. Maybe should have taken the swing out. Swing arm bolt off first? I don't know. Come out. So washer. There's that. Does that mean this comes out? Which way do we want to bring it out here? Too tall. Come that way. We do this. Tilt it forward. Bottom first. Bottom's up. Oh, that's my hand. Oh, push, push, push. Like having a baby. Push, push, push. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, here it comes. It's a boy. That's it. Now we just need to reverse the process. We're going to take a break. All right, we got the disassembly. We got it washed. Got all cleaned up. Got our mess all up in here. Mess everywhere. Everything's clean. Got the bike all cleaned up. Get everything tucked away. Now we're gonna go look at the new motor in the box. We got the new motor, brand new crate motor, 0 hours, right here in this box. You can see the packaging came with brand new hose, brand new everything. This motor has 0 hours, never been ran. It's a 2019 KX250 motor, never been ran. Pretty excited that we got our hands on it. We're gonna pull that motor out and give you guys a look. Box is full of packaging. Get all the packaging out of here. Get to this brand new motor. Take a look in there, brand new. No oil, never had oil in it. Brand new top to bottom, brand new transmission, brand new clutch, kickstarter to countershaft sprocket. Everything's brand new on this thing. Kind of nerve-wracking, don't want to mess it up. See when we put it in the bike, make sure we get everything going and make sure we put oil in it before we try to start it, and let's go. There it is. No oil. We're gonna keep that tag on. Make sure we don't mess that up.